Good morning, I'm Emma. Today is market day. I need tomatoes, onions, bread, and maybe something sweet. I take my shopping bag and check my list. I feel excited because I love buying fresh food. Let's go. The streets are calm. The sun is rising and the weather is perfect. I walk to the supermarket near my home in New York. Some shops are opening. I hear birds and soft music from a cafe. It's a peaceful morning. I like walking. It helps me think and relax. The first section has fruit. I see red grapes, yellow peaches, and big pomegranates. They look fresh and colorful. I pick some grapes. They smell sweet. A worker smiles and says, "Good choice." I put the grapes in my bag and move to the next section. Now I buy vegetables. I need tomatoes for salad. I choose round red ones. They look perfect. I also get onions and green peppers. The worker gives me a small bag and says, "Have a nice day." I thank him and continue walking. Next, I go to the bakery section. The smell of fresh bread is amazing. I buy one loaf. It's warm and soft. Then I visit the cheese section. I choose white cheese. It's salty and smooth. Perfect for breakfast with tea. The store is busy now. People are talking, laughing, and buying food. Children run around. I see my neighbor and we talk for a few minutes. She tells me about a good shelf for honey. I find the honey shelf. The jars are golden and shiny. I buy one small jar. Next to it, I see baklava. It looks sweet and delicious. I buy a piece and taste it. It's soft, sweet, and full of flavor. A perfect end to my shopping. Now I walk home. My bag is full and my heart is happy. I love market days. They are simple but special. I will cook something nice today. Thank you for coming with me. See you next time.